This one, oh my goodness. Russian tourist offered a Tesla employee $1 million to cripple Tesla with malware, to install the malware. He gives the employee $1 million. They walk in. They throw the nasty stuff on. I don't know if it would have been one of those ransom situations. They thought they were going to earn some money back, or they just wanted to hurt Tesla. We don't really know. But this case pops up where this Russian guy flies to Nevada, to the Gigafactory over there, starts courting a particular employee, boozing him up, taking him out, whining and dining, and eventually puts the first proposal, $500,000. You get in there, you cripple for me. No headway with that. No bite. Goes up to $1 million. At which point, Tesla employee goes, "You kidding me? I'm ride or die with this Elon guy."
Yeah, you chose the wrong guy.
And he goes, "You know what I'm going to do instead? I'll just call up the FBI. I'll put the wire on. I'll do the full thing. And why don't you keep whining and dining me, tough guy?" I mean, he didn't say all those things.
No,
he didn't say all those things. But anyway, they end up catching the guy. And Elon Musk responds. So you have the Teslarati article. Tesla employee turns down $1 million, decides to work with the FBI instead, and helps thwart a planned cybersecurity attack on Giga Nevada. To which Elon replies, "Much appreciated. This was a serious attack." Now, I don't know who he's saying he appreciates. Is it the website for covering it, or is he just saying the employee? Because that employee, that's a move right there. Now, not to say that I think the average employee should do the same, because it's a nasty move. I mean, what are you doing? You have a good job. You're working at Tesla. I understand it's $1 million, but it's illegal. What are you doing? You're handing this stuff over to the Russians. What are you doing? But still, the employee didn't bend. The employee didn't fold. And so Elon's quite happy about it. Apparently, this guy, Igorovich Krichkov, 27 years old, traveled from Russia to Nevada and then met with the unnamed employee on multiple occasions. This is incredible. You read these stories. I mean, this is some movie stuff. This is some Hollywood movie stuff. During the meeting, he expressed how concerned and stressed he had been over the request. If he were to agree to install the malware, he would need more money. Krichkov asked how much, and he responded, $1 million. Krichkov was sympathetic to the request and said he understood, but would have to contact the group before agreeing to the request. So
it's just like a movie.
It's just like a movie. They're trying to secure these funds.
Did they say his motive? Igor's
no,
motive,
but we had the ransomware thing happen recently with the Garmin stuff, and that was a Russian group responsible for it. I don't know if this would have been a ransom thing, but you have some interesting takes on Twitter that emerged after this took place, including one from Security Craig Williams on Twitter said, "So I suppose this means my guess was correct. This does bring into question the risk added if the system responsible for your self-driving car comes under attacker control due to a malicious insider or otherwise. The entire thing is extremely exciting and concerning." It is. You remember when the Twitter thing happened and everyone got control of the accounts? Well, they could only mess around and tweet some stuff, which was still big, and they didn't do as much damage as they probably could have. But what about your self-driving car?
Oh, yeah.
I mean,
Twitter's just a platform.
What kind of security measures are in place?
Yeah.
What kind of access do employees have? I hope they got it all figured out, but it's an incredible development here. Incredible story. Super Hollywood thriller vibes going on.
Yeah.
And Tesla, an enormous company, enormous implications. Yeah. And all you need to do is flip a key employee and maybe get the right amount of dollars. What if it was 10 million?
Yeah. Well, that means that they could do it to really anyone in any company.
Of course. And you know what else it showcases, Will? How often you might think that the biggest weaknesses within an enterprise or the biggest weaknesses within a system would be some sort of malicious attack from the outside. But in reality, as we learned through the Twitter thing and elsewhere, it's often the outside reaching someone on the inside.
Yes, a saboteur.
Well done. Willie
Love
did.
that name.
Willie
so
did.
what are they going to do with the employee? They give him like employee of the month or something?
Well, yeah, I think he got free lunch and a free Tesla. I don't know what.
A meeting with Elon?
Yeah, him and Elon are pals. Remember when Elon recorded that track? Once upon a time, don't kill my vibe. Don't.
Yeah.
Got to protect the vibe. I don't remember what it was. Anyway, on the next one, this guy's featured.
Oh, right on.
Yeah, on the next.
That's worth it.
On the next track.